Hello, good morning. Pinikedak ho, Gunatsaf, Umchera, ME School lo ngasi nilipandak si LO nang kita ngamal ladak yo school lo. Pinigunatsaf han ke wang ngasi nang itum hanam pek lempon pokoson si Gunatsaf ka kondak ma ngasi nili LO lo ladak headmaster teachers tum han ta pini video tuli post students to participate here la sinang itum nang wangon ta. Staff room lo lake. Lake headmaster room lo, lagi presiden lo, lagi headmaster lo, lagi II lo. Here's the headmaster. Would you like to say anything, sir?
Yeah.
Today, yeah.
Today our third phase we have already received our external evaluator, Mr. Dibajyoti Bora.
Yeah.
And now mostly we are going to start our program.
Yeah.
And in this occasion our president also present here, my assistant teacher also there, our CRC is also there, and you are wondering.
1 minute for me, please.
And our
I am
science officer from here. Then very nice memory for us.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, they are teaching stuff.
And you also teacher dancing in the my assistant teacher. There is Shailendra Sharma, and there is Samuel in him.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So let's go and start the evaluation.
Thank you.
All India are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and hidden heritage. I always
Opening of the package. Question paper for Gunatsaf today.
Juling piling pas seven dak six mana kah? Non seven tu hendak apa? Non seven hendak apa?
Seven to the Golopo.
Opening of question paper. Bangke question paper lo. Question paper packet lo. Class lo lagi. External encyclopedia lo. Sivian mana tu? Oh, reading han mama tu.
11 लिखा है कौन से पर वन से पास तो देखिए
Question paper itu bawa II pen, headmaster pen hala CRC lo, siman kosomar teman question paper open tipom lo pen kenan. After 5 minutes lo the exam kan ceng pohol lo nampak. Silahai lo yo, silahai paket lo.
itu kelas 6 itu.
Question packet sang confidential mat enrollment ting nang liun de bando ipakwe aja kelas apa yang ke students bang topik amar si nan jiwai say
itu lo betul.
Black ball pen cewa mang tu black kali te blue. Lapu ajur beri ode aden bitu ano te tok plot ji apa bong long hai. Don't press it too hard, okay? It will get turned. Lapu ya aden binengi buhi hai.
Benita, hah?
Dakhang den na. How is the question? Is it easy? Joy Kema? Question nang la nang tu? Joy ma joy je. Ante mo hapu dukok boso pandak lan lama. Oh.
Jirmi, mana? Gongga, Bobita,
Dakai di kelas wasa?
ada ke 6 lah.
6 di class 6. Beli class check am sina. What class is this? Class 7. Today you are going to write this exam, no? Have you prepared? You haven't get the question paper yet, no? After some time, you will be getting the question paper and give your best, okay? All the best. When you mark the answer, don't press it too hard, okay? Don't press it too hard, it will get turned, okay? Sir already taught you how to write, isn't it? Read the question properly, okay? Read again and again, then only you mark on the OMR sheet, okay?
Malong,
Batay porhi noy an le hala OMR sheet along mark noy day. Read the question properly.
speaking day 1.
Oh.
Day 1 already. Booklet series ke lalu ni.
Oh.
Medium. Christina. Nak pula langkah tuition series pula ni.
Best of luck, okay? All of you, best of luck.
Elong tu.
Reading na sir? The question paper nang ipack with din nonon sinang thom nang asi kinelo nono ko reading conduct bom po. This is class 8 na sir?
Class 8.
The student of his class, and education now. You all have to write a response report on this turn then submit it.
Very local kawana posta ini. Very
As well. You all have to write.
Chen lo. Okay, high school lake ad hoc lang la siku bang ke exam participate din de lo guna saf exam la bang e kitchen set lo quarter lo hand wash lo sanitizer lo hand wash lo Bell. Okay, school building lah. June ke Environmental Day, resi tree plantation non EE pen, headmaster, teacher, students tumjo non tree plantation po.